In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage a Singapore dollar account with Wise, an incredibly useful tool for managing multiple currencies seamlessly. Whether you're receiving payments from clients abroad or just need to manage your money in different currencies, Wise makes it straightforward and efficient. Now, let's get started on how to receive money in Singapore dollars. First things first, you'll want to open up Wise. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do so now. This step is crucial because all the features and options we'll be discussing are available only after logging in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up and verify your identity before proceeding. Once you're logged in, if you plan to receive money in Singapore dollars, you'll need to set up an account specifically for that currency on Wise. This feature allows you to manage your funds more effectively and keeps everything organized. To do this, you need to open what's called a balance account. It's essentially an account within Wise dedicated to Singapore dollars, where you can receive and manage funds in that currency. Setting up this currency account is straightforward. On your Wise dashboard, look for a plus icon, usually labeled for adding new currency accounts or balances. Click on this plus icon, and it will bring up an option to open a new balance. You'll then see a list of available currencies. From that list, select Singapore dollar. It's often abbreviated as SGD. Once you've made your selection, click on Confirm to finalize this step. After you complete these steps, you'll notice that a new balance for Singapore dollars appears on your account. Underneath this balance, you'll be able to see all your account details, such as the account number and any other relevant banking information. These details are crucial because they are what you'll send to anyone who needs to transfer money to you in Singapore dollars. If you're the one initiating a request for money, there's a convenient feature right next to your account details. Look for a request button or link. When you click on this, it allows you to enter the email address of the person or business from whom you're expecting the funds. They'll receive your request along with your account details, making it easy for them to transfer the funds directly into your Singapore dollar account. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Singapore dollar account within Wise. With these steps, you'll be able to receive and manage your money comfortably and efficiently, all within a single platform. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing multiple currencies and much more.